How to preload pages for faster browsing on Chrome for Android. Preloading pages is a Chrome feature that will proactively load sites you are likely to click on. This means a page will often be loaded in the background before you decide to go into it. It makes the whole experience much faster, but be aware it can also waste data you otherwise wouldn't use. Okay, straight into it. Open up Chrome. Hit the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the screen, and then select Settings. Hit Privacy and Security. Click on the Preload Pages, and you have three different options. No preloading, the pages load only after you open them. Standard preloading, some of the pages that you visit are preloaded. And extended preloading, more pages are preloaded. So select whichever one is relevant to you. And that's all it takes to preload pages for faster browsing on Chrome for Android. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.